Getting a tax refund can be a big financial win, but only if you use it correctly. Here's 10 genius things to do with your tax return. Coming up next. Hey guys, I'm Yesenia. If you're new to our channel, we're WealthFit, and we want to help you lead a life of true wealth. We're going to do that today by helping you maximize your tax refund. If you receive a tax refund, it's important to use that money wisely. 2 words, emergency and fund. We recommend saving 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in an emergency fund. The goal of this fund is to pay any unforeseen medical bills, auto repair, or unemployment. If you don't have that much saved, putting money towards building an emergency fund is exactly what to do with the tax refund. This way, you can be prepared for any surprises that might come your way. More importantly, it should be your first step. Another thing we suggest you do with your tax refund is to pay off high interest debt. High interest debt isn't just a personal burden, it's literally a nationwide epidemic. The average American household that carries a balance on their credit card from month to month has $9,333 in credit card debt. Crazy.
Credit card debt, credit card debt.
That's not to mention the average interest rate, which is currently over 17%. By using your tax return to pay off some or all of your high interest debt, you're giving yourself a monthly gift of not having to pay sky-high interest. So get that premium down, honey. In this tip, we talk about the future. Why not do something that future you will thank you for?
Let my early retirement commence.
Be wise and put your refund towards your retirement. If you're anything like me, you will feel good knowing that you've put away the money, gaining interest, to fund your golden years. But some of your retirement contributions will also earn you a tax deduction, helping you get another refund next year. Let's keep those years golden, literally. For my entrepreneurs in the room, if you own your own business, it might be the time to make an investment in your business that you've probably been putting off. Invest in marketing, give your website a facelift, or maybe put money towards that conference you've been dying to attend. The best return on investment is investing in yourself through education. This could range from learning how to start your own side hustle or taking online classes to increase your financial literacy. If you're interested in the latter, you can watch our Wealth Building 101 course that we offer for free here at wealthfit.com. Unless your children get significant scholarships, school tuition can be a back-breaking expense. Make a dent towards saving for college by setting some of your tax refund aside for your kids. They will thank you later. If you're a homeowner, you likely have a running list of things you'd like to improve around your home. I mean, who doesn't?
Fix, 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 fix.
Why not use the refund to make some of your home improvements and increase the value of your home? Not only will improvements increase the value of your home, some will actually save you money from month to month, such as solar panels and smart thermostats. If there is a charity that is near and dear to your heart, consider making them the lucky recipient of your cash refund windfall. Not only will you feel good about where your money is going, but you may be able to use the donation as a tax deduction. Honestly, there's probably a long list of little things that you could spend your tax refund on. Why not look for things that will help make your day-to-day life better? And you're saving money in the long run. That might mean buying yourself a really nice coffee maker so that you can finally ditch your expensive coffee shop habits. Or maybe it's buying yourself some weights so you can finally cancel your gym membership, which, to be honest, do you actually use it?
Dime? What's a dime?
Explore ways that you could actually be saving money on and use your tax refund as fuel for this savings process. If you get any value out of this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to not miss out on anything we have going on. See you in the next video. Be wise and put your refund towards your I can't see. Were all my entrepreneurs in the room? Okay, I tried to be too funny and it did not work out for me.